Stop the coach, we take the money box, then we let them head into town. How about we pull these bandanas over our noses and everyone will know? Sounds like a good plan, boys. Hiccup! What was that? Hiccup! See, here's the problem. I've got these hiccups, and I can't seem to get rid of them. Roy. Let's help him get rid of his hiccups. Okay, so we can scare him. Me and Roy are going to go up the ways to see if the stagecoach is coming. Okay, hiccups, I'll stay here. Boo! Hey Roy, what'd you say? How about bringing water upside down? How do I get upside down? Stand on your head and roll your legs.
Oh!
On the horse's back. He's slowing the stagecoach down. Yeah, he did it! He stopped the stagecoach! Thank you. That was hilarious. I never saw anything like it. It was that scooped the horses and took off the coach. He almost fell way over. Then he missed it for saving.